What's up, guys? So today I am very excited to try a brand new product that is supposed to fix the problem with Zippo lighters, and that is it losing fuel evaporating. So the solution, possibly one of these things. Okay, this is basically a gasket. It is sold on Amazon as a lighter gasket. It doesn't specifically mention Zippos, but obviously it'll work with Zippo lighters and similar designs. And the purpose of it, all right, is to plug up the bottom. Okay, it's made out of rubber. It's flexible here, kind of like a stiff rubber. And it's supposed to seal up the bottom so that the fuel does not evaporate out of the case. If this works, this will be the best thing since sliced bread. First off, I will say that I was pretty frustrated because I had a viewer who told me about these. They're actually asking me if I've used them before. And I said, no, I never even knew they existed. But now that you showed me, I am definitely buying them. They had these on Amazon. They had a 3-pack, 3 different colors. There's a brown, black, and orange. I think this was like $6 or something. But then they also had a 5-pack of just black ones for like $6 or $7. And it said that there was 2 left. I went to go order it. When I refreshed the page, it said there was 1 left, and they raised the price to $10. Now, I didn't care it was $10. I really wanted to try them. Went to order it, and it was sold out before I can get to it. So I ended up getting 2 of the 3-packs to try, but it took forever to get here. Okay, even though it showed that it was in stock, maybe it was coming directly from, overseas somewhere or whatever. It was, I don't think it came from the US. I think it was imported here first and then shipped to me. So it did take forever. However, I'm excited they're finally here. I'm gonna put one on. I'm gonna fill up this Zippo. This is a 1935 replica. All right, so it replicates the old square models, outside hinge and everything. However, it has the same insert as all the other Zippos. Okay, so it should function exactly the same. So this is how I fill a Zippo. Flip it around, pop the cam upside down so I can fit this inside the case here. Use a screwdriver or your fingernail, whatever, lift that fat pad. Okay, take some Zippo fluid, fill this up all the way. I do it like this just so I could see where the level is of fluid, because right when it gets to the top of the padding, I stop. And that's right there. All right, so it just went above that padding. It will be soaked up through here. So I leave it like this. And the reason I put it inside the case is so that any extra that's dripping out will go inside the case and not on the table, the floor, or whatever. All right, so you want to remove this screw. I'll loosen that up. Take out the screw and the spring. All right, keep the spacer on there. Then pop this on. Actually, I'm gonna take it out of the case here just to do this so I can press, make sure it's fitting perfectly. All right, kind of a tight fit. Got some extra fluid on me. Actually, I'm gonna grab some paper towels. All right, so I just wiped up any extra fluid there. Now the top is totally sealed all the way around. You can see I cut a little piece of that plastic on the edge. But it's totally flat. All right, should create a perfect seal. Then you go ahead and put this back on. All right, this keeps it from popping open or out. All right, so get that started with my fingers. Or use a screwdriver through a camera lens here. All right, so that's tight down. You can see there's a trap door here, which is pretty cool. So we pop that up. There's one little pin this hinges on, so be careful. It looks like it's a little fragile. So you have a trap door, so you can still fill it with this on here. You don't have to take it off if you don't want to. It just takes a lot longer to fill it that way. And there's even a little spot. Let me zoom in here so you guys can see this. Little spot for a spare flint. All right, which is nice. Pretty cool. So I'm gonna push this down, make sure that's snapped down, which it looks like it is. It says lift to fill. All right. Flip this around. Put this back in the case. Still fits in the case, actually. I'll go grab another paper towel. All right, I am back. I was gone for about 15 minutes or so. I did end up overfilling this a little bit, so I wanted to make sure that there was no extra fuel anywhere, obviously for safety purposes. Plus, I grabbed another Zippo. It's a Camel one that one of my viewers sent me. And I filled this the same way. I overfilled it, let the excess kind of drip off a little bit through the top where the wick is. So these are both completely filled right now. All right, so this is going to be my constant, I guess, if we're talking about a science experiment here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open these every single day. I'm going to light it for 60 seconds and then close it. I'm going to do this every day and see how long it takes for this one to go dry as well as this one. And we're going to see if these little gaskets actually keep the fluid in there longer. Although these are two completely different lighters, made completely different years, they have the exact same inserts with the same design. So being that they're both filled the same, they should dry up about the same time. So I will certainly keep you up to date. I am very excited to see if these gaskets are actually going to do anything to, conserve that fuel in here. For the video here, real quick, I'll light both of them real quick, just for, let's say, I don't know, 10 seconds each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oops. Yeah, just to get that started because I do have extra fuel in there. But like I said, 60 seconds every single day until they're dried up. And I'll let you know how long this one lasts compared to how long this one with the gasket lasts. But fingers are crossed here because I really hope this is a good solution to the people out there who like carrying Zippos like myself, but get easily frustrated at that fuel just evaporating. I'm not a cigarette smoker. I'm not using my lighter constantly every single day. But there's been plenty of times where I EDC'd a Zippo for like a week and a half, 2 weeks, even though I filled it. When I actually wanted to use it, guess what? There was no fuel left because it slowly leaked out. So I will keep you guys up to date, but I think this is a much cooler solution than putting, a band around the top and the bottom or something like that. But anyway, we will see. I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.